Gentai Rima Machinery Company Limited is a supplier specializing in the research, development, sales and service of agricultural and forestry machinery such as log splitter, sawmill, log trailer with crane. We have hundreds of staffs and diversified CE-approved products, providing OEM and ODM service to Germany, France, Britain, Italy, Sweden, Canada, US, and other countries and regions for over 8 years. Committed to strict quality control and considerate customer service. Our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. With annual export amount over $20 million, we have been ranked as Alibaba's High Trade Assurance Guaranteed Supplier of forestry machinery for years. We have very rich experience in the field of agricultural and forestry machinery, and we have the ability to design all kinds of machines to meet the needs of different customers. There are many well-known brands all over the world supplied by Rima. To focus on durable, high-performance design, we have a professional technical team which is committed to not only the upgrading and improvement of existing products, but also the research and development of new products. To keep being the qualified supplier of agricultural and forestry machinery, Rima team always try our best to continuously improving product quality and after-sales service system. Besides, we insist on designing 2 or more new products every year. Rima will be your wise choice for a long-term cooperation.